Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss some questions on logic gates like I discussed last lecture. Okay, right? So today I will discuss some questions on logic gates. Okay, so let me start from here. Say this one. Say this question. Here you have to complete this circuit. See this example. Write the circuits for the following Boolean algebraic expressions. Okay, so you have to complete the circuit here. Okay, so now look, example number 1, A. Here X input and Y input, and this gate is OR gate. This is OR gate. Then what will happen here? What is output here? This OR gate gives you X plus Y. This gives you X plus Y here, right? This will be X plus Y here. Okay, plus, right, plus here. Okay, and now look over here. This is Y, input Y here, and this is inverter here, inverter. So input Y, so this inverter gives you here Y complement, right? So now look, here X plus Y input and here Y complement input, and this gate is AND gate. So this AND gate is gives you here output. So this AND gate, what will do? This AND gate multiply. So input X plus Y here, and there this input Y complement, there Y complement hada, right? So this complete now here. Again look here, this is OR gate. So this OR gate here input X Y. So X Y input here plus OR gate gives you output like that, plus, and this is inverter, and here input Y. So here inverter gives you output Y complement. So now here input X plus Y and here input Y complement, and this is AND gate. So this AND gate here gives you multiply there, right? Now come to this number B. Here input X and this is inverter. So this inverter gives you here X complement. Okay, and this is input Y here, and this is inverter. So this inverter gives you Y complement here. Now look here. Here X complement input and here Y complement input, and this is AND gate. So AND gate, what will do AND gate? Multiply X complement the Y complement. Okay, and then look here, X complement the Y complement input here, and this is inverter. So inverter gives you complement of Kamil input. So here X complement the Y complement other input, and this inverter gives you Kamil output other Kamil complement this way. So this is answer, right? It's clear? Yes, it's very simple. You have to remember only the gates. Now look here. Number C. See this. Here input X and here input Y. X, Y input. And this is AND gate. So this AND gate gives you here multiply. Input X, the input Y. Okay. Now look here. Z. Z input here and this is inverter. So this inverter gives you here Z complement. Right. And so now look here. Here Z input and here X input. And this is OR gate. So this OR gate gives you plus sum. So Z complement plus X other, right? And here look, here X the Y, X the Y input here and other inverter. So inverter gives you this Kamil complement of input. Okay. So now look here, then Hina input X the Y Kamil complement and Hina input X plus Z complement, and this is OR gate. So OR gate gives you plus. So here what will happen? X the Y are the Kamil complement and then plus this X Z complement, this OR gate, then this OR gate gives you plus. Here input this one and here input X plus Z complement, right? It's okay. Yes. Now come to this number D. See this. Here input X and this is inverter. So this inverter gives you here X complement, right? And here input Y and here input Z and then hada AND gate. So this AND gate gives you multiply, yani input X complement the input Y and the input Z, this one, because here input X complement, here input Y and here input Z, and this is AND gate. So this AND gate, yani AND gate gives you multiply of all inputs. S complement the Y the Z. Okay. Now here look, Hina module X input and this is inverter. So this gives you X complement here, and here Y input. Here Z input and this is inverter. Input in inverter. So this inverter gives you here Z complement, right? And this is OR gate. So OR gate gives you plus, yani X complement and plus this input Y and plus this input Z complement, yani Z complement hada. Okay. Now come over here. Here input X complement the Y the Z, and this is inverter. So inverter gives you here X complement the Y the Z, and this is inverter. So inverter gives you hada Kamil complement this way. Now look again. Here input hada and here input hada, and this is AND gate. This AND gate gives you multiplication, yani X complement the Y the Z hada Kamil complement and then dar Hina. Dar what? Dar hada Kamil. X complement plus Y and plus G complement this. So hada output, right? Yes. It's very simple. Just you have to remember the gates. See this, here X input and this is inverter. So this inverter gives you input complement hada. Here Y input and here Z input, and this is AND gate. So AND gate yani multiply X complement input dar Y input and dar Z. This AND gate gives full multiply, right? Now come over here. Here X input and this is inverter. So X input yani X complement. Here Y input, here Z input, and this is inverter. So inverter gives you here Z complement. Okay. So now look here. Here this is OR gate. So OR gate gives you plus. Here X complement input and बाद में जायद आधा input Y यानी Y and जायद आधा input Z complement यानी plus Z complement. Right. Now come to here. Hina input X complement dar Y dar Z, and Hina input X complement plus Y plus Z complement, and this is AND gate. AND gate gives you multiply. So other input X complement dar Y dar Z, other input here and there. This is AND gate, then this multiply input. Okay, X complement plus Y and plus complement. And now come over here. Here X input, here Y input, here Z input, and this is AND gate. AND gate यानी कुल्लो दर X दर Y दर Z आधा. Here look, हिना Z input and आधा inverter. Inverter यानी Z complement, and here input X, and this is OR gate. OR gate यानी input X जायद input Z. OR gate gives you plus. Now look here. आधा input X plus Z complement and Hada inverter. So this inverter gives you Kamil complement. X plus Z complement. Hada input and this is inverter. So this inverter gives you Hada Kamil complement. Right? So now come over here. Here input Hada Tulo. And here input Hada. And here input Hada. And this is OR gate. So OR gate gives you Kullu plus. So here X complement, the Y, the Z, other input Kamil here, X complement plus Y plus Z complement, other input and बाद में plus this input यानी X दर Y दर Z, X दर Y दर Z, other input and plus this input X plus Z complement and other Kamil complement, other. So other okay. This one okay. Okay. This way you will complete. Right? Okay. See this? Any problem? Okay. No problem. Okay. Clear. Right? Okay. So this okay. No problem. Now look this. Chapter number 5. Chapter number 4 finished. Now I will start chapter number 5. This is counting. Chapter number 5. Now I will start this chapter number 5. This is counting principle. This one. Counting principle. Okay. So there are two basic counting principles. There are two basic counting principles. Okay. Number one, sum rule principle. Number two, product rule principle. Sum rule यानी जायद जायद rule principle. And product यानी the rule. Sum यानी this plus and product यानी this term. So sum rule principle and product rule principle. There are two basic counting principles. So now see number one. Okay. Number one. What is the sum rule principle? Suppose event A can occur in M ways, and second, Tani event B can occur in N ways, and AB both events cannot occur simultaneously. Okay, it means what? Event A and event B cannot occur at the same time. Okay, then A or B can occur in M plus N ways. M plus N ways. Here plus it is sum rule principle, right? If if A and B are disjoint, okay, A or B are disjoint, it means mushtarak A mushtarak B. A mushtarak B is no number. Okay, maafi mushtarak any number. Okay, then N A union B is Na plus Nb. Here Na denote number of elements of set A. Okay, so let me explain what is the meaning. How do you understand this? See this example, then it will be clear. If there are 5 teachers from Egypt, 5 teachers from Egypt and 3 teachers from Pakistan teaching discrete math, yani teaching riyadiyat muhaddada. So a student can choose a discrete math. So a student can choose a discrete math teacher in 5 plus 3 is 8 ways, right? So now look what is the meaning. Five teachers, look, 5 teachers from and 3 teachers from Pakistan. 3 teachers from Pakistan. And kullu teachers dars riyadiyat muhaddada. Kullu teachers dars riyadiyat muhaddada. Okay. So hina mawjud khamsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And hina mawjud talata teacher. Teaching and kullu teaching riyadiyat muhaddada. Okay. So student talib Talib have to choose, students has to choose one teacher, Wahid Mudarris from Tamania. Okay, so one student can choose this Wahid Tarika. If Mafi choose this Tani Tarika. If Mafi choose this, you can choose this Talata Tarika. Mafi choose here, you can choose this Arba Tarika. You can choose this one. You can Mafi choose this. You can choose this teacher. You can choose this teacher, or you can choose this teacher. So how many ways? Kam kullu tarika, hina khamsa tarika, and hina talata. You can choose one teacher from anywhere. Okay. So how many ways? Zaid here 5 plus 3 equal to 8 ways. Tamanya tarika to choose Wahid teacher. Okay. This is the here. So this is called sum rule principle. Okay. And you have to choose Wahid. You can choose min hina or you can choose min hina. Mafi choose here and here also. No, not together. Mafi same time. You have to choose Wahid fakat. If you choose Wahid min hina, then Mafi min hina. If you choose Wahid min hina, then Mafi min hina. Okay? So you have to choose from here or you have to choose from here. Wahid. Wahid teacher, Wahid Mudarris. Okay? So how many ways? 5 plus 3 equal to 8 ways. Right? So this is the whole principle. So you can choose 5 plus 3 equal to 8 ways. Right? Now come here. So be careful here. One time you can choose from here. You can choose from here. One teacher. Or you can choose from here. Or you can choose from here. Okay? So if you choose Mudarris from Egypt, then Mafi choose Mudarris from Pakistan. If you choose Wahid Mudarris from Pakistan, then you cannot choose Mudarris from Egypt. Okay, you have to choose Wahid. Okay, so same time you cannot choose from Egypt and you cannot choose from Pakistan. You have to choose Wahid. Okay, so both events are mukhtalif. Maybe Egypt, maybe Pakistan. Okay, so events are mukhtalif. Zayed, then lazim hina zayed. Okay, 5 plus 3. Now look over here. Now next principle is this. Next one. This one. Product rule. Principle. Product. Yani dar. Okay. So look here. Suppose event A can occur in M ways. And independent of this event and there is second Tani event B which can occur in M ways. Then combination. Yani event A and event B take together. Combination yani together. Same time. Okay. A and B can occur in M dar N ways. M dar N ways. Okay. So here event A and event B same time. Combination yani same time together can occur in M dar ways. Right? M dar N ways. So see the example here. Then it will be clear. See this example. Let a man has 6 shirts and 5 pants. Then he has 6 dar 5 isawi 13 different ways to choose a shirt and a pant. Choose a shirt and a pant. Wahid shirt and Wahid pant. Okay. This means what? Here two events. See, if a man has 6 shirts, how many shirts? Shirts मौजूद थे ना 6 and pants मौजूद 5. Comes of pants. Okay. So here you have to choose Wahid shirt and Wahid pant. Okay. It means same time. Same time one min hina and one min hina. You have to choose. So these two events occur simultaneously same time. Okay. You have to choose one min hina and one min hina. Okay. But our question what? Our question here. Our question, you have to choose here or you have to choose here. If choose here, then Mafi here. If choose here, then Mafi here. Right? Then plus here, sum. But here what? here you have to choose wahid min hina and wahid min hina same time. Okay, so here product rule principle, because two events occur simultaneously. It means what? Wahid shirt and Wahid pant together you have to choose. Okay. So look, if here मौजूद 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 shirts, and 6 shirts, and here मौजूद 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pants. So see the combination. You can take this shirt and this pant. वाहिद तरीका, you can see this shirt and this pant. Tani tarika, you can take this shirt and this pant. Talata tarika, this way. This shirt with this shirt you can take any pant. Yani khamsa tarika hi na. Baden this shirt and any pant. This shirt, this pant, this shirt, this pant, this way. So how many tarika kullo? Sitta darb khamsa. Because you have to choose one min hina and one min hina. Okay, together. So there are 6 dar 5. There are 6 dar 5. So here is the 6 dar 5. Yani तला 3 ways to choose one shirt and one pant. तला 3 ways. So this is third rule principle, right? Now come to the next point. Okay. Now come to the next point. Next point is factorial notation. Okay. So let me explain here. Factorial notation. See this. Factorial notation. Okay. So factorial notation is this. Suppose here any number मौजूद 2. So this 2, this is factorial notation. This is notation. Factorial notation. There are 2 ways. You can write this way. This notation. Okay. Right. This is factorial notation. So this 2 you can write this factorial notation. Factorial 2 यानी वाहिद दर 2. This way. If here मौजूद तलाता, factorial तलाता. So factorial तलाता write 1 दर 2 दर 3. Okay. And factorial arba you will write this way 1 the 2 the 3 and the 4, right? So this is same way, this and this same. You can write 2 the 1, this same, and here talata dar vitnain and dar white are same. And here what? Arba dar talata dar vitnain and dar white, same way. Okay. So if here itnain मौजूद स्टार्ट में नहीं ना, इतने अंदर वाहिद, इतने तलाता मौजूद सौक तो भाला तलाता नाकिस वाहिद, इतने बादन नाकिस वाहिद यानी वाहिद हियर. If ina मौजूद फैक्टोरियल अरबा, then start में नहीं ना, अरबा दर नाकिस वाहिद, तलाता दर नाकिस वाहिद, इतने दर नाकिस वाहिद. Stop here. Okay. So this is factorial notation. If here मौजूद खमसा, factorial खमसा, then क्या फुक्तो? Start from खमसा दर नाकिस वाहिद, अरबा ضرب ناقص واحد 3 ضرب ناقص واحد 2 ضرب ناقص واحد يعني واحد هنا 5 4 3 2 1 तो फैक्टोरियल 5 يساوي 5 ضرب 4 ضرب 3 ضرب 2 ضرب 1 هنا موجود صوب 6 فاكتوريال 6 سو كيف اكتب 6 ضرب 6 ضرب ناقص واحد كم 5 okay and if you don't want to اكتب هنا then if you want to stop here 6 ضرب ناقص واحد يعني 5 if you want to stop here so stop here then seal هنا factorial 6 ضرب 5 factorial same way here if you want this if you want here fact 5 is equal to start from here 5 ضرب ناقص واحد كم 4 if you want to stop here then seal هنا 4 factorial this same thing right so هذا and هذا same ما في مختلف if هنا if you write this look here 4 factorial okay if you write start من هنا 4 ضرب ناقص واحد كم 3 and stop here then seal هنا factorial this is the rule so this one and this one same ما في مختلف so you can use this way now see if you have this number general n factorial then كيف اكتب هنا start من هنا n ضرب ناقص 1 يعني n ناقص 1 n ضرب بعدين n ناقص كم 2 n ضرب n ناقص 3 n ضرب n ناقص 4 n ضرب كم आखिर कम يجي شوف هنا كله कम يجي आखिर هنا واحد आखिर هنا واحد so هنا आखिर कम يجي هنا ضرب يجي आखिर واحد this way so you will write this way okay yes this way right so this is written here and remember this صفر factorial صفر يساوي واحد right and factorial واحد يساوي واحد remember this okay factorial صفر يساوي واحد and factorial واحد يساوي واحد now to here look over here so this way I have written here okay वाहिद फैक्टोरियल वाहिद यसावी वाहिद and factorial सिफर यसावी वाहिद right so same way written here factorial n start from n ضرب n नाकिस 1 ضرب n नाकिस 2 ضرب n नाकिस 3 and up to where आखिर कमी थी आखिर जी हिना वाहिद okay and here written here मौजूद what factorial n start from here n ضرب n नाकिस वाहिद n ضرب n नाकिस वाहिद بعدين ضرب n नाकिस 2 if you don't want to write further then stop here n ضرب n नाकिस वाहिद factorial if you want to stop here then stop here and then see here factorial this is the rule okay this way now look over here what here written factorial n see this here n ضرب n नाकिस वाहिद ضرب n नाकिस 2 and if you want to stop here n नाकिस 2 then hina seal factorial hina and here what factorial n ضرب n नाकिस वाहिद ضرب n नाकिस 2 ضرب n नाकिस 3 and if you want to stop here n नाकिस 3 then seal hina factorial right and here what n factorial n यसावी n ضرب n नाकिस 1 ضرب n नाकिस 2 ضرب n नाकिस 3 n nakis 4. If you want to stop here, n nakis 4, then seal hina factorial. This is the rule. This way you will write factorial. Okay, right? Okay. Yes. Now come to the next point. Next point is this: binomial coefficient. Binomial coefficient. Okay. See the symbol. The symbol, this one. This. How to read this? N combination R. You will read like this: N combination R. What is the symbol? Symbol this. This bracket is here N and here modules R. Okay. How to read this? N combination R, where this N and R are positive integers, mojab integers. See this, positive integers, and here R asgar yusavi N. Okay, this N and this R may be same number, mafi mukhtalif, and if mafi same, then this R is asgar. R is asgar mean N. Here written R may be asgar and may be yusavi N, and defined like that. This simple N combination R is yusavi. This is the kanun. Factorial N ala N sarif R factorial and the R factorial. This is the rule. This is kanun. Okay. So what is kanun here? Say this. This kanun, this symbol, here mojud N, and this is R. Okay. This equal to what? Remember this kanun. This is equal to factorial N ala N nakis R factorial and darb hina R factorial. Ada kanun. Right? Okay. Now look, if I take here these two numbers same, suppose N yusavi talata and R yusavi talata. Ada. Then what will happen here? N yusavi kam hina, N yusavi talata. Talata yani hina talata factorial and tahat kam N nakis R factorial yani hada talata nakis talata. Talata nakis talata. Hada kamil factorial. And darb in R factorial. R factorial yani hada talata. Talata factorial. Now look here. Come easy hina. Talata factorial ala talata salib talata yani sifar. Sifar factorial and hina talata factorial. So now tell me. Hina talata factorial and hina talata factorial cancel. So come bagi. Fog bagi wahid and tahat come. Here sifar factorial yani what? Sifar factorial yani wahid. And this equal to come wahid. Right? So just you learn whenever these two numbers are same. When these two numbers are same, mafi mukhtalif, then all the time easy hada wahid. Just remember this. So when N and R same number, mafi mukhtalif, then all the time easy hada wahid. Is okay? Yes. Now tell me, if here mojud, hada hidas and hina hidas, then hada come easy. Tell me. Yes, Wahid. Wahid. Because both are same. Then this will easy Wahid. Because hina is hina. Hidas, Salib Hidas, yani Sifar. And hina is Hidas and hina Hidas. Cancel. So all the time here one. Okay. So be careful. Right. So when these two are same, then all the time one. Right. Now see one more question. Here. Here taken 6 and 4. 6, 4. 6 combination 4. Okay. Now look here. 6 combination 4. So look here, just you remember all the time. Read like this symbol. This is called binomial coefficient. NR, this equal to n factorial divided by minus r on the coming factorial and the this r factorial. Okay, but read this way: n combination r, n combination r. This means what? This means hada n combination r. This symbol means this. Read like this: n combination r. Okay. Now see, if I take here 6, 6 combination 4, then what will happen? Is equal to what? See the column n yusawi sitta here. So sitta factorial. Ala n salib r, yani sitta salib arba factorial. Ala this one and the r factorial, yani arba factorial. Ala right? And this equal to what? In a sitta factorial. In a kambagi 6 minus 4 यानी 2 factorial and the arba factorial. Okay. Now look here. Hina मौजूद arba factorial. So break this. Sitta factorial यानी what? Sitta factorial यानी 6 factorial. यानी what? The start में ना sitta darb khamsa darb arba. Okay. And I don't want to write more. I want to stop here arba. Sitta darb khamsa darb arba. I don't want to write. So stop here. Factorial arba. Why stop factorial arba? Because तहत मौजूद factorial arba. So here इतनेन factorial and hina darb arba factorial. Hina arba factorial मौजूद तहत. Then I will stop here. This arba factorial cancel. So fog kam easy. Fog easy hada. सित्ता दर खमसा यानी 30. Okay, and तहत कम तहत हिना factorial 2 यानी what? इतनेन दर वाहिद. So hada kam easy. 30 दर इतनेन and 30 दर इतनेन यानी 15. hada answer. Right? This way. Here? Yes, this way. So this way you will solve here. Right? But you remember all the time, when n and r same number, maafi mukhtalif, then always wahid. You have to remember. Okay? And here, and what is the condition? N and r may be same and maybe r asgar mean n. So look here. Here r asgar mean n. Maybe r asgar and maybe r nafso n. Okay? But r maafi akbar mean n. Just remember. R may be asgar min n and R may be yusavi n, right? And both are positive. Mafi sali, both are positive. Mojab integer. Okay. So any question here? Any question? No. Mustafa, Muhammad Al Hassan, Abdullah Sabir. I will tell you about chapters, okay? Akhbar, Akhbar next week. Next week. Did you see the blackboard? I have written on the blackboard. Next week, online. And how many chapters? I will write, inshallah. So today I will stop here. Abdul Aziz. Chapter 5, yes, I will upload. I will chapter 5. Abdul Wahid. Okay, so today I will stop here. Right?